Hi, this video we're going to show about our 4K 60 HDMI splitter. So here we have the setup. Basically right now we have a input source which is from this 4K 60 laptop, and then we have an HDMI output directly input to this 1x2 HDMI splitter. So here we have the settings on the splitter, and this is the front panel. On the front panel, basically we can see the indicators for the power and input source, and also the two HDMI outputs to the two displays. Once we have all those connected, then the indicators will be light up. And here we have a 4-pin dip switch, which is for the EDID management and also the auto scaling. For the setting guide, we can see we have the printings on the top panel, and we have dip switch 1, 2, 3, and which is for the EDID settings, and we have the dip switch 4, which is for the scaling. So basically, if we're like right now, we want to set into as the different resolutions for the laptop to output, then we can just simply press down the buttons, the dip switch. Like right now, we have the dip 1 and 2 to the 0 position. Dip 1 and 2 to 0 position. That means we have it showing as the DVI signal, and now we cannot hear the sound is coming out. But if we have these two dip switch back to the 1 position, to the upside is going to be the 1 position, to the downside is the 0 position. So once we have it back to the all the dip switch to the 1 position, that means we have the 4K 60, and we can check it out. The resolution from the input source on the display is showing as 4K 60 Hz. And also the sound is coming out from the embedded port. And besides that, we also have the dip switch 4, which is for the scaling. And if we have it to the 1 position, that means it's for the auto scaling. But if we have to the 0 position, it means it will just bypass, it will just same output resolution as the input. So if the input resolution, like right now, we still have the input resolution is 4K 60. And now we have a 1080p display here. It's actually not showing the image just because this one only can support the 1080p. But if we have the dip switch 4 to the 1 position, then we will have it as the auto scaling according to the connected displays. That means it will just auto scaling. This 4K, then the resolution will be 4K. This one is the 1080p display, then the resolution will be 1080p to this display. Okay, so this is the front panel and also the dip switch setting for the EDID and the auto scaling. On the back side, we can check out, we have the connections. We have the HDMI input port, which is from the input source. Then we have two HDMI outputs to the displays. Then we have an audio embedded port, which we can connect to the speaker. And like right now, we have this one is connected to the speaker here. Then we can hear the sound is coming out. And then on the side, we also got the DC power supply with the screw connection. So it will make the connection more secure. And here we also have the power on and off button. Okay, this one is our 1x2 mode, but if we have like more displays, such as we have 4 displays, then we can use this 1x4 mode. And on the front panel, it's going to be the same, and the indicators, dip switch for the EDID and the auto scaling. On the back side, we will have 1 HDMI inputs, then 4 HDMI outputs, and audio embedded DC power and the power on and off. Okay, thank you.